Hey there, fellow adventurers. I'm your guide here in the world of stockpiling. Out here in the wild, I've learned that preparation is key to survival. Just like having the right gear can be the difference between conquering a mountain or spending a night exposed to the elements, having a well-stocked pantry can make all the difference when unexpected challenges arise. We face all sorts of storms in life, from natural disasters to economic downturns. But remember, we don't just endure these storms, we overcome them. And having a stockpile of essential food items gives you a safety net, a sense of security, and the confidence to weather any storm. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share my top 10 emergency foods to stockpile, giving you the knowledge to build your own fortress of sustenance. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because at the end, I've got a fun fact about one of these foods that will blow your mind. First up, we've got canned beans. These little guys are like the survivalists of the food world. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that will keep your energy levels high when you need it most. Plus, they've got a shelf life of up to 5 years, meaning they'll be there for you long after that expiration date on your favorite bag of chips has come and gone. We're talking black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, whatever you prefer. Think of them as your long-lasting energy source, ready to fuel your adventures even when fresh food is scarce. Remember, in a survival situation, every calorie counts. And trust me, a hearty bean stew can taste like a gourmet meal when you're facing a challenge. Next we've got rice, a true pantry hero. Rice is like that reliable friend you can always count on no matter what. It's affordable, stores easily, and has an incredibly long shelf life. We're talking years, people. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can eat it plain, use it in stir-fries, soups, as a side dish. The possibilities are endless. Rice is also a good source of carbohydrates, which your body needs for energy, especially in demanding situations. And let's not forget its ability to absorb flavor. A little bit of spice, some canned veggies, and voila, you've got yourself a flavor-packed meal that will keep you going. Now let's talk pasta. Like rice, pasta is a stockpile essential because it's affordable, stores well, and has a long shelf life. But here's where pasta really shines. Its versatility. Think of it as a blank canvas for culinary creativity. You can pair it with canned sauces, toss it with vegetables, or even create a cold pasta salad for those warmer days. From spaghetti and penne to macaroni and rotini, the shapes and sizes are endless, adding a touch of variety to your emergency meals. And don't forget about lentil or chickpea pasta for an extra boost of protein and fiber. Remember, in a crisis, maintaining morale is crucial, and a comforting bowl of pasta can go a long way. And don't forget, if you're serious about building the ultimate stockpile, my free ebook can help you get started. Download it from the link in the description below. Canned vegetables, a garden in a can. Let's face it, fresh produce doesn't always last, especially in emergency situations. That's where canned vegetables come in. They're like having a garden in a can, ready to provide essential vitamins and minerals. From corn and peas to carrots and green beans, there's a wide variety to choose from, ensuring you get a good mix of nutrients. Look for low sodium or no salt added options to keep your sodium intake in check. And don't forget about canned tomatoes. They're incredibly versatile and can be used in countless recipes. Remember, a well-rounded diet is crucial for maintaining your health and strength during challenging times. Peanut butter energy in every bite. Next up is a personal favorite, peanut butter. This stuff is like rocket fuel for your body, packed with protein, healthy fats, and calories to keep you going. Just a couple of spoonfuls can provide a much-needed energy boost when you're feeling depleted. Spread it on crackers, add it to smoothies, or simply enjoy it straight from the jar. No judgment here. Peanut butter is also a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. And the best part? It has a long shelf life, so you can stock up without worry. Dried fruits, nature's candy with a purpose. When you're craving something sweet and satisfying, dried fruits are the way to go. They're like nature's candy, but with the added benefit of essential nutrients and fiber. From raisins and apricots to cranberries and mangoes, there's a dried fruit out there for every taste bud. They're also a good source of natural sugars, which can provide a quick energy boost when you need it most. And because they're dried, they have a long shelf life, making them perfect for stockpiling. Just make sure to store them in airtight containers to prevent them from getting stale. Bottled water, the elixir of life. Now this one's a no-brainer, but it's so important that it deserves its own chapter. Water is essential for survival, plain and simple. In an emergency situation, access to clean drinking water may be limited, so it's crucial to have a stockpile of bottled water on hand. Aim for at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. You can also consider investing in a water filter or purifier to ensure you have access to safe drinking water, even if your bottled supply runs out. Remember, dehydration can set in quickly, so staying hydrated is crucial for your health and well-being. Canned meat protein powerhouse for staying strong. When it comes to protein, canned meat is a stockpile superstar. It's shelf-stable, convenient, and provides a concentrated source of protein that your body needs to repair tissues and maintain muscle mass. Tuna, salmon, chicken, Spam. The options are endless. Look for canned meat that's packed in water or its own juice to keep sodium levels in check. You can add canned meat to salads, sandwiches, or simply eat it straight from the can for a quick and easy protein boost. Remember, protein is especially important in emergency situations when your body may be under stress. Instant noodles. Comfort in a bowl. Just add water. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need a warm, comforting meal. That's where instant noodles come in. They're quick, easy to prepare, and surprisingly satisfying. Just add hot water, wait a few minutes, and voila, you've got yourself a steaming bowl of noodles. While not the most nutrient-dense option on this list, instant noodles can provide a much-needed morale boost in a tough situation. Plus, they're lightweight and easy to store, making them ideal for emergency kits or bug-out bags. Just remember to choose options with lower sodium content if possible. Chapter 10. Chocolate, a sweet treat for the soul and survival. Last but not least, we've got chocolate. Now I know what you're thinking. Chocolate in a survival situation? But hear me out. Chocolate is more than just a sweet treat. It's a morale booster, a source of energy, and even a piece of history. Dark chocolate, in particular, is rich in antioxidants, and can actually provide some health benefits. Plus, a small piece of chocolate can go a long way in lifting your spirits when you're feeling down. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation, as it's also high in calories and sugar. Now for that fun fact I promised. Ready to build your stockpile? Did you know that chocolate was once used as currency? It's not just a treat but a piece of history. So there you have it, my top 10 emergency foods to stockpile. Remember, being prepared isn't about living in fear. It's about taking control and ensuring your well-being no matter what life throws your way. Start building your stockpile today, even if it's just one item at a time. You'll thank yourself later. Now that you know the top emergency foods to stockpile, why not take it a step further? Check the description below for my free ebook, Creating a Family Survival Superfood Plan, Strategies for All Ages. It's packed with tips, strategies, and recipes to help you build a robust emergency stockpile for your family. Stay prepared, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video when we talk about why superfoods matter in emergencies.